With the recent introduction of the Capital One Venture X credit card, it has put into question whether cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve card and the Amex Platinum Card are worth the extra cost. For this reason, I've decided to review and compare both the Platinum Amex card and the Venture X card to see if there's any point in paying an extra $300 per year for the American Express card. So if you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you enjoy the content, why not consider subscribing? Okay, so let's jump into it. So who are these cards good for? Both the Venture X card and the Amex Platinum card are travel reward cards that are perfect for anybody who likes to travel frequently. Each card offers a whole range of fantastic benefits, from extensive access to literally thousands of airport lounges to a generous points earning structure. Now let's take a look at the APR for each card. The Capital One Venture X card has a variable rate of between 16.99% and 23.99%, whereas the Amex Platinum card has a slightly lower variable APR of 15.99% to 22.99%. And both of these rates depend on what your creditworthiness is and vary on the market depending on what the prime rate is. Next up, let's take a look at what the annual fee is for each card. Starting with the Capital One Venture X card, you will have an annual fee of $395, which is considerably cheaper than the Platinum card, but still rather pricey. But it is relatively easy to offset the annual fee just from the sign-up bonus. Next up, the Platinum Amex card has an annual fee of $695, which is one of the more expensive credit cards available now. But similar to the Venture X card, it has a generous sign-up bonus that covers the annual fee. So if you're looking for a cheaper card, the Venture X card is almost half the price of the Amex Platinum card on an annual basis. So it's better value in terms of cost. Now let's take a look at the sign-up bonus of each card and how much each one is worth. Starting with the Capital One Venture X card, it offers 100,000 bonus miles if you're able to spend $10,000 within the first 6 months of opening the account, which works out to be $416 per week. And Capital One miles are worth about 1 cent per mile, which means the sign-up bonus is worth approximately $1,000. Now, the Platinum Amex is also offering 100,000 membership reward points after you spend $6,000 within the first 6 months of card ownership, which is $4,000 less than what you need to spend with the Venture X card. And this works out to be $250 a week, which is not too bad. And similar to the Venture X card, these points are worth up to 1 cent per point depending on what you use them for, which means the sign-up bonus is worth about the same, which is $1,000. So for this section, the Amex Platinum card comes out on top as it requires a lot less spend requirements to receive its sign-up bonus. Next up, let's take a look at how each card stacks up in terms of points earning potential. Starting with the Capital One Venture X card, you will have 3 separate ways of earning points. The first way is 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars that are specifically booked through Capital One Travel. The second way is 5 times miles for flights that are booked through Capital One Travel. And finally, all other purchases will receive 2 times miles per dollar spent. Next up, with the Platinum Amex card, as a new card member, you will have 4 separate ways of earning points. First of all, for new card members, you will get 10 times points on purchases at restaurants worldwide, and if you shop small through the website americanexpress.com/shop small online. And this is a list of small businesses that Amex is supporting during the pandemic. And this 10 times points earnings is valid for the first 6 months of card ownership up to a total of $25,000. So you could potentially earn 250,000 points with this benefit, which would be worth $2,500. Next up, you will earn 5 times points on flights that are either booked directly through the airline or through American Express Travel. And this is limited to a total spend of $500,000 per calendar year. Next up, you will earn 5 times points on prepaid hotels that are specifically booked through AmexTravel.com. And finally, all other purchases will receive 1 point per dollar spent. So for this section, the Amex Platinum card offers a bit more variety in terms of where you can earn points, but it does have limits on how many points you can earn through its 10 times points earning structure. And for this reason, I would say that the Capital One Venture X card has slightly more potential to earn points than the Amex Platinum card does. Now, both of these cards have an extensive list of benefits and user perks that are worth quite a lot if you take advantage of all of them. And starting with the Capital One Venture X card, you will get an annual travel credit of $300 each year that can be used through Capital One Travel. Along with this, they are also offering a limited time $200 vacation rental credit that can be used for bookings that are made through companies such as Airbnb, VRBO, and Turnkey. And this has to be used within the first year of card ownership. There is a 10,000 mile anniversary bonus each year that is worth $100 that can be used towards travel. You will get a $100 credit that can be used towards either TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Then you will have access to well over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide with a complimentary Priority Pass membership, which is worth $429. And finally, you will also have access to Capital One lounges, which is starting to open up across the US. So these bonuses are worth about $1,129, which which is pretty good. Now with the Amex Platinum Card, you get even more benefits. First of all, you will get $300 back each year on eligible Equinox memberships. There is a $240 digital entertainment credit that can be used towards access to New York Times, Audible, SiriusXM, and Peacock. You will get a $200 hotel credit each year for hotels that are booked through American Express Travel. There is a $200 airline fee credit that can be used towards incidental fees with one selected airline each year. You will receive a $200 Uber credit that can be used for either Uber Rides or Uber Eats. There is a $179 credit that can be used for Clear membership, and this is basically a quicker way to get through airport security. There is now a $155 Walmart Plus credit that can be used towards Walmart Plus membership. You will also get a $100 credit that can be used at Saks of Fifth Avenue each year. There is a $100 credit that can be used for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. As part of the hotel collection, you will receive a $100 experience credit that can be used towards dining or spa treatments when you make a booking of 2 nights or more. And as part of the Fine Hotels and Resorts program, you will also receive a $100 experience credit that can be used at the hotel as long as you book a minimum of 2 nights. And finally, you will get access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, which is a large range of airport lounges from all over the world and includes complimentary priority pass, which is worth $429, and access to lounges such as the Amex Centurion Lounge, Delta Sky Club, and Escape Lounges. So as you can see, even though the Amex Platinum Card costs over $300 more per year, it offers quite a lot more in the way of benefits. All up, these benefits are worth approximately $2,303, which is an extra $1,174 in benefits more than what you get with the Venture X card. So for this section, even though the Amex Platinum Card does cost more on an annual basis, it offers a fair bit more in terms of total value and variety of benefits. Next up, let's go over all of the insurance-related coverage that comes with each card. Starting with the Capital One Venture X card, you will get trip cancellation, trip interruption insurance of up to $2,000 per insured person in case of injury, physical illness, or even death. You will also get trip delay insurance that can provide up to $500 per ticket if you were delayed for more than 6 hours. There is lost luggage reimbursement of up to $3,000 per trip that covers theft or misdirection by a common carrier. You will be covered by return protection of up to $300 and for 90 days for a product that a merchant won't accept back. There is also extended warranty of 1 extra year on eligible US manufacturers' warranties that are 3 years or less. You will get cell phone protection of up to $800 in the event that your phone is damaged or stolen. And finally, you will be covered by an auto rental collision damage waiver that covers rental cars for any physical damage or theft. Now let's take a look at what the Platinum Amex card offers. And like the Venture X card, you will get trip cancellation coverage, but with the Platinum card, it will cover up to $10,000 per trip and $20,000 per card per year. You will also get similar trip delay coverage of up to $500 per trip if your trip is delayed for more than 6 hours. There is a baggage insurance plan that will cover up to $2,000 per person for check luggage and up to $3,000 per person for carry-on luggage. You will be covered by purchase protection that gives you 90 days and up to $10,000 per item and $50,000 per card per year. There is also an extended warranty that provides up to an extra 1 year of coverage on warranties that are 5 years or less and that are from within the United States. You will get cell phone protection of up to $800 per claim that is available 2 times per year, and each claim is subject to a $50 fee. And finally, you will get car rental loss and damage insurance that covers up to $75,000 for damage or theft of a rental vehicle. So in terms of coverage, each card has a lot to offer, but the Platinum Amex does have an edge over the Venture X card, as it has higher limits on both its trip cancellation and purchase protection. So what are my thoughts about each of these cards? Both the Platinum Amex card and the Venture X card have a lot of similarities. They both offer over 100,000 bonus points upon sign up, which are each worth around $1,000. They also offer access to a large range of airports from all over the world, and they have a ton of insurance related coverage. Although the Amex Platinum card is $300 more per year, it does offer $1,174 more in terms of benefits and user perks, which is quite a lot. But it's worth considering if you will take advantage of all of them. For instance, do you work out at Equinox Gym? Do you shop at Saks of Fifth Avenue? And do you even use Walmart Plus membership? Just those perks alone knock $555 off the value of the benefits. Either way, I think you can't go wrong with either card. I've had the Platinum Amex for quite a few years now and have been quite happy with it. And I may even apply for the Capital One Venture X card soon. Anyway, that's pretty much it, but I'd love to know what you think of these two credit cards. Do you prefer one over the other, or would you choose a totally different credit card? I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe.